Guys, my name is Eric Königsdorfer and I have started this channel wanting to share with you what I have learned during my career in graphic design, branding and advertising. This is what I call brand communication. You just started your business, do not have much money to spare, or have the foolish idea that you are born a great designer, and need to design your very own logo using a logo maker platform, one of these websites that gives you all the tools to create your own logo online and often for free. Or you prefer to hire a pro designer to come up with your logo on Fiverr for super cheap. What could go wrong? Well, I'll help you to get it right and avoid all the usual pitfalls of every wannabe designers. Number 1. Research your industry and your competition. This is the most important step, a step that designers on Fiverr might most certainly not be doing much of and instead will give you a standard and predictable design. Research your industry to see what type of fonts are effective, what's working, what colors are used, how do you feel about these industry choices and visual landscape. Do you think it should be done differently? Here is a key pitfall. Should you just follow the tried and proven industry ways of doing things, or should you come up with your own colors, fonts, and original ideas? Well, in truth, that all depends on how good you are and how creative you are. Try both. Try designing your logo following the industry's current visual standard, and also try to be creative and original. Show both of your logos to friends whom opinion and ideas you respect, and decide for yourself from their feedback which way to go. Research will give you ideas. Sketch these ideas on paper straight away. Don't judge or make it perfect and pretty just yet. You are only brainstorming. Let your mind loose and free. Take notes of what you want your brands to have. Colors, feel, positioning, etc. Research will help you pinpoint what you want to be and what you are not. Remember, a logo speaks for you and tell others visually what you do and who you are. Number 2. Elements of logo design. Your choice of font is crucial. A font speaks. A font says, I am modern, or it will say, I am traditional, I am the future, I am funny, I am serious, I am retro, I am cheap, etc., etc. Pick and use only 2 fonts for your brand, for your logo, no more. You can pair a sans serif with a serif font, or be all sans serif or all serif, that's okay. Most serif fonts say, I am traditional, and a sans serif font will say, I am modern. Be sure your choice of font is relevant and suitable to both what you do and your industry. Avoid risky and bold fonts that nobody else uses. There is a reason for these fonts not being seen anywhere on a professional stage. Stick to what pro designers use. The icon. The icon you pick has to say and represent visually what you do and who you are. Perhaps you will say what you do literally or metaphorically. Be sure your choice of icon is relevant and suitable to both what you do and fits in your industry's visual landscape. The choice of colors in your logo will be the colors you will use all across your brand. No other color can be used ever, so pick well. Pick 2 colors, that's enough. But only do that at the end of your logo design. Start designing your logo as the black and white logo. Perhaps using some gray if needed. By keeping the color issue separate, you will design your logo much more effectively. You have to love your design in black and white first. When that's done, then pick 2 colors. See what your industry is doing color-wise. 2 colors can be 2 shades of the same color, but more often it is 2 different but complementary colors. The motto or tagline. Consider the use of a tagline under your logo to describe what you do, either a purely descriptive line or a catchy motto to highlight your difference. The business name. If not done already, please put some serious thought in your business name. If you want to stand out with your branding, please do not call yourself Your Name Accounting, for example. Please use some creativity. You need to stand out. A way to make this business name yours and unique is to make it relate to who you are or why you start this business in the first place. Use your kid's name, for example, the name of a pond where you used to go fishing as a kid. Make it unique and emotionally charged and personal. Number 3, keep it simple. Whatever design you like most, see if it can be simplified further and further until you get the essence of it. The essence of what you are trying to say. The essence is what is essential. And that's all you need to say with your logo. If your business name is too long, put the design emphasis on the strongest word, and the rest of your business name can be smaller, like John Mary, Accounting and Spreadsheet. Or you could also just use the initial of your business name to create your logo, JB, Accounting and Spreadsheet. Number 4, create a mood board of the visual landscape of your industry. It is a record of what you like in the visual landscape of your industry. Your competition's logo, brochure, website, design, etc. This will help you decide on the colors, font, shapes, and ideas you want to be using to create your own brand. Number 5, do not listen to everybody. Design is subjective. Too many cooks in a kitchen always create an awful dish. Ask a few trusted friends' opinion, but make the final choices on your gut instinct. Be brave enough to make a stand for what you believe in and what resonates with you. And that's it for today. See you next time. Bye.